Well, to quote Modfix, hello YouTube, welcome back to another video, and this is a Cosmic Grey EP3 in for a remap. So first things first, we're going to get her strapped down, and then at that point we're going to do a stock power run to see where she's at, ECU exchange, and then we'll start tuning. So here we go, guys. Smells nice, mate. Third car of the day. I'm falling asleep now, mate. Third car of the day, EP3 Cosmic Grey. Some basic mods. It's got the Tegua letterbox carbon induction kit. It's got a 4 to 1.
Keep your head over here, mate, because it's like, that's it. You're blocking the light at that.
It's got a 4-to-1 manifold. Was this like when, you know, the tunnel light at the end of the tunnel?
Yeah, maybe.
So where was I? Yes. So Tegua induction kit. Jap speed 4-to-1 and a HKS exhaust system.
Yeah, I mean, basic breathing mods in my opinion, like sort of the basic of the basic, really.
Put my arm around your front, Dave.
No, I don't think I want that.
Come on.
I've got a screwdriver in my hand. The public want to see this sticking out the side of your neck.
They probably
Like
do.
this.
I'll be honest. They're really looking forward to my spicy peanut challenge.
Good. I'm looking forward to that.
October,
like you wouldn't believe.
October 31st, Richard's decided that he's going to do me a challenge where I have to...
No. Let's tell the story properly. Dan says, there were some challenges that I've been watching on TV where people are eating spicy food. And he says, I don't know what people are moaning about. That's not a problem.
It's all drama.
All drama, all of that would be perfectly fine. I can handle all that. So I said, right, okay, I'll get a challenge then. That sounds like a challenge, so I'll get one. So I ordered a £22.95 Death Nut challenge.
Death Nut.
And the top set of peanuts, because there's 5 tiers as it goes up, is 16 million Scovilles, which Dan says will be no problem, and he'll just eat them, and it'll just be like he's, I don't know, been for a mild curry at the Indian.
Be like Philip Schofield's.
Yeah. So I'm
Although I won't want to eat his death nuts either.
Yeah. I'm really looking forward to watching Dan suffer for the fact that he says obviously it's going to be
I genuinely think it's all a load of drama. I've had spicy stuff before. I've not got a problem with it. All these people that do it for YouTube likes and views, it's all nonsense. So I suspect it's going to be hot, don't get me wrong, but I don't think I'll be crying about it and like saying I'm going to throw up and all that sort of stuff.
I think I'm going to have to call an ambulance. That's what I think is going to happen.
Well, I'll bring an EpiPen just in case.
Well, anyway, back to the EP3.
Sorry, yes, we digress.
Yeah, we digressed.
Yes, we did digress. So, anyway...
Yeah, so overall, I think it's done really well. On a standard mat when it came in, which is the first one today. The other 2 that we've had have already previously been mapped. So we've started pretty much from scratch here. Yeah, it's made good mid-range gains.
42 brake horsepower the mid-range it made.
42 make it in the mid-range. We made some good top-end power. I think we finished on 225, which I think is good for the mods that it's got.
Let's go and have a look at the graph.
Let's have a look at the graph.
Let's do it. I'm going to turn these lights off since battery don't go flat. So there are those 42 brake horsepowers in the mid-range. Basically, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves, and as you can see, 225 brake horsepower, 199 at the wheels. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the end of today's video. And the end of today, thankfully. A bit of paperwork to do, and we'll catch you all on the next video, won't we, Rich? We will indeed. Cosmic Grey is the code.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.